Single-story pool home in a convenient Sarasota location in the sought-after community of Deerfield, offering low-maintenance living, low HOA fees and no CDD. As you enter this open concept plan, you will love the abundance of natural light that flows through the kitchen, dining and great room areas all overlooking the pool. 3 beds plus den, split bedroom design, kitchen open to the great room, multiple sliding doors leading to pool. Owner's bath with dual sinks and large walk-in shower, new pool deck finish, inside utility room, barrel tile roof, new garage floor finish, oversized 2-car garage, garage attic storage, low fees which include all lawn maintenance, mulching, fertilizing, shrub pruning, mowing, trimming, irrigation, as well as basic cable. Located just minutes to world-famous beach.